as the host state for this year CAF Women Championship League tag WAFUB 2023, Edo State don set to hold the best women football tournament for Samuel Gumuja Stadium for Benin City. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Comrade Shaibu talked this one on Friday 7 July 2023. For the inauguration of the local organizing committee LOC wey shele for Government House Benin City, while NFF officials joined virtually from Abuja. Komefili Shaibu come talk say as member of the local organizing committee LOC head by Chairman Edo State Sport Commission Alhaji Yusuf Ali and Babangida Kelly as vice chairman make them hit the ground running and make them make the tournament a memorable one.
As the leader as far as women football and sport is concerned, Nigeria obviously in the international community should be the number one and also put us in good light, not only in CAF, but also in FIFA. It's my singular honor to officially inaugurate this local organizing committee that will be bestowed with the responsibility of hosting a very memorable, the best of one of those tournaments that will be hosted by this country and by a sub-national. So with the power bestowed on me, I hereby inaugurate the committee for the greater of football and for the betterment of all of us and for the unity of the round objects. Congratulations to all of you.
Edo State Sport Commission Chairman Alhaji Yusuf Ali when talk on behalf of the committee, come talk say as the whole state we dey lead for Nigeria women football and say we no go disappoint Edo people and Nigeria people.
We will do our best to make sure we host one of the best tournament, and we've been known in this part of the world, Edo States, that when it comes to hosting, we are the best, and we will also do that to make sure it's the best tournament that we hosted in this country. Your Excellency, we will do our best to make sure that everybody is fine and the world will see what we have, sir.
Other committee member na permanent secretary Edo Sport Commission Sabina Chikere, Honorable Margaret Iche, Haja Amina Dora, Aisha Falode, Ruth David, Dr. Emmanuel Igbinosa, Victor Edopai, Tony Owen, while Modupe Shebi go serve as the secretary. The tournament will feature several countries for West Africa subzone, when include Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, Burkina Faso, Benin Republic, Niger Republic, and Cote d'Ivoire. The competition will start August 18th to September 2nd, 2023. From Government House, Benin City, Ifunanya Okweze, TMC TV News.